Say hello.
Hello, Mommy.
And say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
What do you say to Grandma?
I got more coins, Grandma.
All right.
See? They're on the chair.
They're on the chair. Yeah, you got more coins. What is this?
Hi, coins.
What is that?
Thank you.
What is it? Tell Grandma what it is.
It's a pyramid.
Where's the pyramid?
There is a pyramid.
Where? Show me. Oh yeah, there's a pyramid. What do you call this thing?
Coin.
Tell Grandma what do you call it? What do you call it?
Pyramid. Raise a pyramid and a statue.
Statue. Okay.
$1.
$1. Good.
Hi, Mom.
You-
I got $1.
You want to give it to Grandma? You want to give it to Grandma?
I got more coins.
I have no more coins. You call Grandma. Want to call Grandma?